We have so many penny finds. Literally so many. Grab a snack, grab a drink, let's get into it. So, first thing we got is the Animali leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. So we got that. Then we got the one and only Argan Oil Color Oasis Soothing Conditioner. This is great. I like to leave this in my hair, actually. So we got that. Then probably one of my favorite Benny finds is the little light. So it's the smartphone LED selfie light for a penny. Yes, please. So we got that. Then, as we know, our little scrunchies. Then another fun find, we have the little phone pockets. I don't know if it's every design, but I know it's the tie-dye, so grab that. And then we have some notebooks. We have Enjoy the Little Things, little notepad. We have the Jot list pad. Here, I'll show you, because it's already halfway out of the packaging anyway. This one. And then the Farm Fresh one with the pig on it, which I'm obsessed with. So we got that. Then got this whole bag of goodies. So then we have this notepad. And then this is my favorite scrunchie, so score on that. Then my other lipstick ended up in there. Then we got the little shaving brush. This is great for cleaning. Whenever I get powder all over my vanity, this is great for that, cleaning that. Then we got the Bolero Revive Facial Moisturizer, Wild Orchid and Tea Tree. Then we have this 3-pack of crayons, the LOL, and you get 8 in each. Then we have the Freeman Smoothing Jojoba Oil Hair Mask. Then the Global Beauty Care Cucumber Face Mask, and it comes with like the little scooper. So we have the cucumber. And then we have the charcoal, or no, this one's the clay. So we have the clay, that one. Then we have the Renew Facial Moisturizer Strawberry Seed and Kiwi from Bolero. I like this line, so I'm glad it's a penny now. Then we have the Bolero Facial Moisturizer Shine Pink Pineapple and Hibiscus. Love that, especially for summer. Then we have the Global Beauty Care Gold Exfoliating Facial Scrub. The same girl's on every one of Global Beauty Care. Then we have the Rose Scented Shea Butter Hand Cream. The Enhance Beauty Perfumed Shower Cream Revitalizing whatever in Violet. Cannot say that big word. Then we have the Bolero Revive Gentle Rose Exfoliator. Then we have Freeman Nourishing Hair Mask. A lot of hair masks are on penny. Then we have the Global Beauty Care Collagen Spa Treatment Mask. So a lot of Global Beauty Care is a penny. Then we have this again. Then we have the Global Beauty Care Multivitamin Spa Treatment Mask. Then the Be Pure Rose Petal Sheet Mask. This is so pretty. Then more face masks. We have the Global Beauty Care Gold. I love this one. Then we have charcoal and clay. On to the next. Then the Freeman Gel Moisturizing Mask that we all know. Then the Freeman Puring Grapefruit 2-pack Sheet Mask. And then, of course, the hair mask again. Then 2-pack. Then we have the Be Pure 2-step Cleanser and Mask. Then the Bolero green tea and coconut milk jelly face mask. I actually forget what this line looked like, but I feel like all Bolero is a penny now. It just looks like this. Oh no, I thought it was bigger. More face masks, Then we have the Global Beauty Care Pore Refining Mask, which I'm excited about. Okay, then we have a whole other bag. We have the Bolero Coconut Winterberry Facial Toner. Bolero Sparkling Pear and Honey Facial Wash. Probably smells so good. Then we have the Revive Facial Cleanser Hibiscus and Rose. Sparkling Pear and Honey Face Mist. Face mist. Then the Renew Facial Moisturizer in Rosewater and Chamomile. Then the Whipped Body Butter and Cactus Pear and Avocado. Then the Soothing Night Cream and Pink Pineapple and Grapefruit. Then, last of this one. Oh, okay, these aren't a penny. These are my other finds that I found. Okay, more pennies. So many more. So we have the Be Pure Rose Infused Lip Oil. The LA Colors Leech Little Roll-On Lip Balm. These were forever ago. The LA Colors Soft Glaze Sheer Lip Balm and Playful Eye. These are my favorite little lip balms. Then the LA Colors Lip Crayon and So Snatched. Then the Ruby Rose, or Remy, Color Lip Balm and Adelina. These are so pretty. Then we have the Cream Gel Blush in Rose Garden. Then the Lip Plumper Gloss in Clear. Couldn't read it. Then we have this is a lip crayon. So Snatched, I already said that one. And then Cream Gel and Tulips. Then the Make Me Up Pumping Lip Gloss. Lip Plumper Lip Gloss in Sparkle Pink. This is my favorite one. Love this. Then we have the Duo Winged Eyeliner and Stamp in Fuchsia. So you know what, for a penny, why not? Have fun with that. So got that. Then we got Orchard. This is the highlight. This is the bronzer. Blush, but I use it as bronzer. Then Sangria, Lip Plumper and Sangria. Then the little mascara in like this little pack. Lip Crayon in Sass. Love the color. Then the LA Colors Lip Gloss in Lemon Lime. Then, of course, more lip plumpers. Then we got the Waterproof Brow Pencil in Dark Brown. Then this one, again, clear. I love a lip plumper. Then the Charlie colored lip balm, Remy colored lip balm in Charlie. Then the blush in Peonies. The highlighter in Jasmine Flower. And the blush in Rose Garden. I think I already said that. So the store literally just had a full cart of all this. A lot of other people were just picking at it. So penny finds still out there. A lot more pennies. So we have the Be Pure Volumizing Hair Mask. the Pure Moisturizing Hair Serum. Wild Notebook. Oh, I didn't even do an intro. Welcome back. This is a Dollar Tree, everything is a penny haul. Sorry, I don't know where my intro. Anti-stress mask. And then, as we know, all of these notepads. Then these little planner stickers. Then these pin pads, or needle bundle. Then we got these little picture frames. Be Pure Volumizing Hair Mask. Pick Up and Go Fruity Mask. Then we got the Freeman Cleaner and Mask combo. And I just got more picture frames and this face mask in this bag. So on to the next. Then we got the Wand Me Up Concealer. Then we got the Auto Eyeliner in Foxy. Then these little peach earbuds. There's so much, I'm not even kidding. Then like the Valentine's Day lip glosses. Then we got this liner. Shimmer eyeliner. Another eyeliner. Again, the store had literally just bags of pennies. So there's a ton of pennies. Then we got this lipstick in Beloved. Then my favorite little shimmer jellies. Then I was so excited to finally find this penny find. So excited. Then we got this little glitter lip gloss. And that is it. I forgot to finish the outro, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely found some new finds. Stay tuned and subscribe because you don't want to miss my videos.